Hi everyone, Sylvie here and welcome all to my KidzVidz review, or as they put it here in Warrior Plus, KidzVidz Mega Deal review by Craig Crawford and Maulana Malik. This product is going live today, guys, and let me check what is today. You know, some people have no respect for time. And today is the 27th of December. And by the way, I hope you've had a nice time over Christmas, if you celebrated. If not, I hope you just had a nice chillax time. I sure have. So feeling really rejuvenated and relaxed. And that's the state I always aim for. But I like focused relaxation. Another story. Right, guys, so here I have the members area. Here's a welcome video from Craig. And guys, the sales page, let me show you the sales page. I've got it here. I'll play this video, by the way. There's a very, very good welcome video. Not a welcome video, sorry, I'm still a bit absent-minded. But from Craig, I'll play this video because he summarizes perfectly what this product is all about. So let's listen to this video now, and then I'll continue. I'll show you the members area, I'll present the product, I'll show you how easily you can edit it and all of that. Okay, so let's listen to what Craig has got to say. It's just 1 minute, so stay with me, stay tuned.
Imagine taking a Canva template just like this and a software just like this and being able to make unlimited books in any language, for any age, for any topic, just like this. And as you can see, high quality,
beautiful,
ready to go, printed books. Now imagine being able to turn these stories into videos just like this.
Max and Mia's Candyland Adventure.
Exactly. I'll stop there because that's precisely what you can do with this product. Okay, so I'll go through the members area. I'll show you what exactly you will find here. And then, guys, yeah, did I mention it's going live today on the 27th of December, of course, 10 a.m. New York time. My goodness, still absent-minded. Okay, and yeah, here we have, guys. Now, listen, I have a written review because some people prefer to read rather than watch, but since you're watching, I'm guessing you don't mind watching anyway. But I have it all nicely put together for you, so you know what's what. Okay, here is Maulana Malik. Not sure if you know this guy. Very high quality vendor too. This is Craig, of course. So you have all of the features, benefits listed here, the whole funnel. See, we'll go through the funnel, but again, check out my written review below in the description box and see what's what and what you would like to invest your money into. The front end is only $17 and you're getting 40 templates that are easily editable and customizable with Canva. Again, I'll demonstrate that. Okay, I have downloaded all of the files needed to do the customization, so I'll show you how it goes. Now you have 36 kids characters and 10 music tracks, also a master prompt that you will use with ChatGPT to create stories. And again, as Craig said in the VSL, video sales letter, okay, in the video on the sales page, you can create unlimited, okay, number of stories in any language you can possibly think of, and then you can print them. Obviously, you can publish them, self-publish them on platforms like Amazon KDP, Etsy, Teachers Pay Teachers, Creative Market is another fantastic marketplace for that, or Google Play, and there are other platforms, okay? So you can do that. You can sell them as physical books. I would recommend that big time. The demand is just crazy, right, for children books. But also you can turn them into easily using Canva. I'll show you how to download both files using Canva. You can download them as videos, publish them on TikTok, or YouTube, even better, right? So, or you can share them across social media accounts if you have accounts in kids sort of niche. if you may, right? So you've got the training and you've got the PLR rights to that. So it is really a mega bundle. Guys, you see all of the bonuses that are listed, custom made bonuses, 3 of them. Then I also give you 4,000 plus video effects and transitions that you can use to pretty up the videos. It's all about customizing them, making them unique, and do so, okay? Because you want to stand out, you want to be different. And now, apart from all the bonuses you will find on my written review, when you go to I've got a bonus page, okay? You will find the links to my bonus page, so you see all of the bonuses you get from me because I'm one of the VIP affiliates. Okay, so I have access to some special vendors bonuses, all of the amazing bonuses for customers of Sylvia. So that's me, moi. You will get all of those, guys. You have them listed below, and you will access these bonuses from the bonus page, my bonus page. Okay, from inside of the members area, and I'll show you where. The bonuses, the extra bonuses you also have, all of these, my written review, just to make it clear, I cook it with my affiliate link. So whether you buy via my bonus page or my written review, click this get the best price, whatever, or here through the bonus page, if you click get KidzVidz and my bonuses, okay, and special bonuses, you will also get the bonuses listed on my written review, okay, just to make it super clear. Okay, now with that said, guys, let's go to the members area and I'll show you how you access the product, what it looks like, and basically the value, crazy value you're getting here. So you would need to click here. There are some of the upgrades. Here is the expansion package, is one of the upgrades. Again, on my written review, you have all of the upsells nicely listed. So go through that. You see, you have the funnel details. So I hope it's crystal clear. Right, so this is one of the upsells. Here is the front end, and here you have the training to the front end. So you see this KidzVidz package. If I click through that, this is the whole bundle. So here you have like a nice, I like and I love it how they deliver it here. It's like a nice little window. It's all clickable here. You have your PLR rights here, what you can and cannot do, what you're allowed, what you're not allowed to do with this product. So go through that, familiarize yourself with so-called do's and don'ts. And here are all of the templates, okay? So we've got 40 templates, and then below there are some files you will need to download that you will need for customizing those Canva templates. I'll show you how it goes. You just click access. But the files you have ready to use characters, audio backgrounds, characters, prompts, and the tutorials. They're very easy to follow, 1-2 minutes long tutorials, 5 of them. I'll show them to you as well. But let me now open up one of the templates, okay, and show you some of the customization, okay, you will be able to do, because at the same time it's not my intention to make this review 1 hour long, okay, but I have downloaded the file, so I'll show you what goes where and you know the drill. Okay, so we click on use template for new design. Again, Canva is free. You can use, I'm using a free Canva account, okay, and as you can see, and here we have the slides, and this project can be again turned into a book but also into a video, okay. You see the share. I'll show you later how to download them. Alright, now from here, this is the first slide, okay. You would use ChatGPT to create a story. You have the training here. In the tutorials, it is the master prompt is given to you in one of the tutorial videos. Again, the videos are anything from 1 to 2 minutes long, straight to the point, yet comprehensive. Sweet and short, but they show you and tell you how to do everything from A to Z. So of course you change up, this is, I'm not sure what language that is, but you change the title, and then the stories one by one. Here is the character. So here you have just a shadow, okay, a shadow of the character. But if I go to my downloads, I'll show you how I downloaded all of the characters. I've got the background audio, I've downloaded that too. You see all of the audios you have. And then let me show you what characters, all kinds of characters. They're actually listed on the sales page, so I'm not gonna show them to you one by one. But that you see, you've got adventure gear, casual boy, girl and boy, casual boy and girl. So if I open up this one, happy, sad, angry, surprise, all of that, good, bad, happy, sad, right? But then you have them on the white background if you need that, but the transparent one is really what you want for to replace the character, okay? So I have uploaded some of them already here, this boy here, right? So what you need to do, what you should be able to do is just grab this character and drag it over here, and it should replace it. Now, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or what, but in the tutorials they're saying that once you've put drag it across the first slide, it will be automatically replaced across all of the rest of the slides. Some of the slides don't have the character, but that should be done. I'm not sure if I'm doing again something wrong, because I can still see the shadow, like I have to delete that and then put it where I want it, okay? But that shouldn't be the case according to the tutorials. So if I am doing something wrong, I put my hand up, or maybe that still needs to be improved, or something needs to be changed. I'm not sure. I'm actually gonna talk to Craig about that. But this character should appear on the rest of the slides wherever you see the shadow, okay? So that should be done with one click, really. And then we would go and upload the background music. Okay, so again, click on upload files and then go to downloads. I've got the music here. So there's I believe 10 audio backgrounds to choose from. So I'm just gonna rock and cool, pick this one, open. And once you have the audio background, you just locate it down below, and then you can stretch it across all slides, right there, just like that. And then if I go to the end of it and click on these three dots, I can adjust the volume. So let's make it a bit louder, and that's going to be applied to all slides. Okay. And then another thing I want to mention is the voiceover. Now, the way you go about the voiceover, you can record yourself if you wish so, if you want your voice, and you connect. It's gonna connect you to your camera, and you just record slide by slide. You can do that, but what they also show you in one of the training videos, I've watched them all, again, 1-2 minutes long. Going through all of the training videos is not gonna take you more than 8 minutes, 8-10 minutes, okay? They show you how to generate AI children voices with CapCut. CapCut is free. It's a very cool video recording and editing software, very often used for YouTube Shorts, especially for TikTok, okay? For stuff like that. So, and then you would just upload, they show you how to do that, and then you just upload this voiceover and apply it to all slides. So that's also very easy. And again, the story will be created with the master prompt that you would use with ChatGPT. So that's how it works, guys. And then as we go back to go back in the members area, the training you have is also here, KidzVidz training. So let me show you the training videos. You see 5 videos, and the whole process is, very, very, again, comprehensively yet briefly shown to you, so you can easily follow and do a fantastic job, create amazing videos. Now, once you're happy with it, you would go to share, and you can download it as both PDF for books, but not the flattened PDF, although you can do that too. But I would say the PDF standard for books to sell on Amazon, Etsy, or stuff like that. But if you want them as videos to upload them on, say, YouTube or TikTok, then you'd probably want to download them as MP4 videos. Okay, so just click on that and it's gonna go into your folder. Let me show you where I have them. Let me show you both files. So I have the PDF here that you can turn into books, just like, see, this is the PDF with all of the slides, just like Craig was showing you on the sales page. And the other one was the video, so let me also open up the video. I don't have a voiceover here, just the music. So you see how the slides are changing, everything it's moving, the text is moving, there are nice transitions, all of that, so it can be professionally done. And again, you have 40 different background templates, and you can use those, customize them, change them up. There's a lot you can edit using Canva and turn them into unique stories. Unlimited number of stories and books as well. That's cool. With some of my bonuses, I cover how to maximize this guide to selling PLR videos, how you can sell those videos as well, and then how you can create a profitable YouTube channel with PLR content. These will be PLR, okay, videos. So plenty of bonuses to complement this already crazy valuable product. So again, you're getting all of the bonuses, regardless of whether you're gonna pick up the product via my bonus page or my written review. Maybe it's a little bit confusing, but it's not, okay. I will put the link to my written review as well, because there's a lot of information about the funnel, so go through that. I jotted it down for you so you have full information to make an educated decision. Amazing upsells, very congruent with the front end. So guys, choose what you want. This expansion package is certainly crazy value. 60 additional templates, like close to 60 new characters, advanced training, and 10 additional music tracks. So I would highly recommend that one. There's some membership upsells as well. Very affordable upsells as well, okay? The prices are not crazy. This OTA number 3 is 300 animated kids videos, 200 editable books with full PLR rights. And the OTA number 4 is games, quizzes, and science videos with PLR rights. So again, a lot of assets you can make money with, you know, which if done properly, set up properly on platforms like Amazon or Etsy or YouTube, they will become a source of passive income for you for years to come. This is a very sought after niche. As long as we have children, this will be wanted. Okay. Alright guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Check out my review or my bonus page. Whichever route you decide to go will work. Okay, bye.